channel Earth Official. When I make a part 2 and part 1 of chip job, but I decorate a flame type, so you decorate any ones to yourself, okay? And today we make a plan. So first we till this and we fold the paper like this. The upper triangle is made. So the make a triangle, we make a this type, fold the triangle like a post letter. And we make another triangle to a center, okay? This type triangle, and we fold like this. So our plane is ready to fly. Vroom. So bye bye guys. And one thing I do you own. First, you subscribe and comment below. I make another part a part of drawing. They are speed drawing. Sorry, but I make her body, and second part it's coming when you comment. Bye bye.